In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a text layer in Figma. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to remove single text elements, clean up layers through the side panel, and delete multiple text layers at once, so your file stays tidy and easy to manage. Start by opening your design in Figma. You can work from any file or page. Just make sure you are looking at the correct frame or artboard so you are editing in the right place. Take a moment to zoom in and visually confirm which text you plan to remove. Clear selection and awareness upfront helps prevent deleting the wrong element, especially in dense layouts. One of the fastest ways to delete a text layer is directly on the canvas with a keyboard shortcut. Click once on the text layer to select the entire layer. If you see a blinking text cursor, that means you are editing the text content. Instead of selecting the layer, press Escape, or click outside and then click the text again to select the layer itself. When the layer is selected, press Delete on your keyboard. This works on both Mac and Windows. On Windows, pressing backspace also deletes the selected layer. You'll know it's gone when the text disappears from the canvas and its entry vanishes from the Layers panel. If your canvas is crowded or items overlap, deleting from the Layers panel can be more precise. Look to the left-hand panel to find the text layer you want to remove. Text layers display an icon, which makes them easier to spot. Click the layer name to select it. This highlights the corresponding element on the canvas, then press Delete. This method is especially handy when elements sit behind others or when you are managing organized groups and frames. When you need to remove multiple text layers at once, batch delete will save you time. Hold Shift and click each text layer you want to remove. You can do this on the canvas or in the Layers panel, whichever gives you better visibility. As you select, you'll see multiple items highlighted. Once everything you want to delete is selected, press Delete to remove them simultaneously. This is ideal for clearing placeholder copy, outdated labels, or duplicate elements across a frame. That's it. Thanks for watching.